Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Aseem and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is chemistry behind matchsticks. We all have used matchsticks, but do you know what is the chemistry behind it? If not, then do watch this video. Let us start. If I talk about matchstick, then it has two components. One is that stick and another is the striking surface. Let's talk about its composition individually. If I talk about that stick, then it has potassium chlorate KClO3 as an active ingredient. It is an oxidizing agent too. Phosphorus sesquiterbiopterin sulfide P4S3, or we can say it as tetraphosphorus trisulfide. Antimony 3 sulfide Sb3S3. Some fillers, some glass powder. If I talk about the striking surface, then it has red phosphorus as the active ingredient. We all know that there are many forms of allotropes of phosphorus, that is red phosphorus, white phosphorus, black phosphorus. Here we are using red phosphorus along with some abrasive substances, some glass powder, some sand powder, or some binder such as gelatin. Now, if we talk about the chemistry behind it, then when we rub the head of the mastic against the striking surface, then what happens is a reaction takes place between the potassium chlorate present on the head and the red phosphorus present on the striking surface. And due to the friction, the red phosphorus gets converted into white phosphorus and it ignites spontaneously. The reaction is a very spontaneous one. Oxygen is also liberated, and the reaction is vigorous too. And what is the reason for it is we are using antimony 3 sulfide. Now, there is a question left, why we have not used white phosphorus? The reason for it lies in early 1900s when we used white phosphorus, but it used to cause bone disorders and was toxic too. So it was discarded from that time, and now onwards we are using red phosphorus. That's all for today. If you like this video, then do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you very much. Take care.